So registration is open for the new beginners group classes. You can visit igbowithprince.com to sign up. We already have half members of the class signed up from those who were pending from the first beginners batch. So this registration is going to close even very quickly. You can visit now, igbowithprince.com, to sign up and secure your spot in the class. The class is amazing. The class is fantastic. The engagement is daily through the WhatsApp group, and the class time itself is so rich and productive and interactive, and you can feel yourself making progress week by week, even day by day. We are using Quizlet, we're using WhatsApp. The classes are on Zoom, so you can join in from anywhere you are in the world, and you don't even need to have any skill or anything in Igbo. So you can just come in, irrespective of your background. So the class is starting this Saturday. You can visit igbowithprince.com to register. All the details you need are there. Please sign up well in advance so we can onboard you properly. And if you have any question that is not answered on the website, igbowithprince.com, all the questions have been answered, the schedule, the time, the date. But if you have anything that has not been answered, you can send me a message you can just send me a DM